Hello, comment vous êtes tout belle moun mwen yo? Hi everyone. So, jodi an la mwen pote yon ti video pou nou. Ba montre nou ki jan nou ka fe yon salade fruit. So, mwen gen dragon fruit. Pa konen ki jan rele fruit sa Haiti. Mwen gen kiwi. Pa konen nan to Haiti. Mwen gen fraise. Mwen gen anana ki lot bon. Mwen te getap. Mwen gen dlo mwen mette la. Mwen pral montre nou ki jan mwen lave fruit. Mwen guys, I'm gonna show you how I wash my fruits. I add a little bit of like a teaspoon of vinegar in the water in a big bowl. I add a teaspoon of baking soda in there, and I did add a pinch of salt. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna let my fruit soak for like 10 to 15 minutes in the water. Because fruit they spray them with on stuff. Like I always make sure I let them soak for like 10 to 15 minutes in water. Like I add in my water, as I said before, teaspoon of vinegar. Uh, I have papaya too. I forgot about the papaya. Timon, mage papaya too. I have dragon fruit. I have strawberries. I have kiwi. I have papaya, and I have some pineapple, guys. So I hope you guys keep watching. So I'm gonna watch them, and I'm gonna come back show you how I prepare, cut, and make my fruit salad. So ti moun male jam te di nou m te mette yo trempe nan ti lom te mette un ti ki vineg, un ti baking, un ti pout bicarbonate. Mwen te mette yon ti pince sel. So lò fè sa, pase isi yo flite, pa kon a iti fè sa, but isi yo flite e fuyo avec des produits chimiques. So, si ou pa lave bien pour retirer produits chimiques, so manger, c'est comme si c'est cancer, si malade ou mette en dedans. So, moi toujours fè ça nan, ça c'est salade ma fè, depuis c'est bagay ta kouve végétable, moi toujours lave yo comme ça, mes amis, toujours comme ça. Gérer santé nous, gérer te n'a pas acheter, moyen li, garder les boy, garder bagay qui sou yo, garder ingrédients yo mette dans produit, dans manger, nous pral manger yo. Tant qu'on de pas manger maggi, qu'on a pas cherché pour petit moun yo, puis yo le m'a pli, me di di gen MSG, I'm like, oh my god, yo mette MSG dans notre chips là. Et puis depuis là, ça me pas achète pour tout, ou pas manger un bagay, et puis produit acheter yo li fait avec li. Pour ça on doit pas manger viande cochon et puis gan pile gami, gan pile même remède, gan pile bagay même gen c'est des vitamines yo use viande cochon là-dedans. So faites attention toujours li. So ap achete, toujours préparer. Moi c'est ça, c'est fraise m'a coupé là, m'a calé kiwi hein. Moi gen on bagay que les dragon fruit. Par contre si nous connaissons yo en créole like dragon fruit, ça nous ka mette yo nous dit non yo, but ça c'est un point là, c'est ananas, papaya la fraise là. C'est celle non ça me connaît l'autre fruit, pas connaît en créole, I'm sorry. Guys, as I said before, I have dragon fruit, kiwi, strawberries, papaya, and I have pineapple. Um, Mwen te lave, so konya map coupe yo. So, guys, I'm cutting them now. I'm putting them on I'm cut everything, and I'm gonna slide them, and then put them in the plate. And after that, I'm gonna mix everything together and like make it a little decor, like make it pretty, and then you're gonna have your fruit salad. So mpa konen si gen yon jan ka kale sa, but mwen men depi m fure koutou an mwen soti bien leje. Guys, it's very simple to peel the skin. You just cut the little head, and then you have a little, you see how I remove it. But it's like, I can, okay, how can I say that? It's like peeling a banana. It's that easy. So, and then it's very easy to cut through. Very like, I don't know if you ever tried dragon fruit. I tried the red one. I made smoothie with in my channel. If you don't see that video yet, you can go ahead and watch it. So it's really simple to remove the skin. It's like it's more like banana. When you remove the skin of a banana, you just remove the head and peel it very easy. So it's easy to use. It's like a seasonal fruit. You don't see that every year, but sometimes they have it. Look how pretty that look. Come on, you just look at it and make you want to eat it. Super free is okay, but if you love fruits, make your fruit. You can prepare that. You're going to on your way to work, and then you wake up in the morning and overnight you're hungry. Instead of drinking soda or eat some cheese or some fatty, some some stuff that is not healthy, eat that. Have that ready in your fridge. Once you get up, like you going to work out, after workout or you hungry, you some people love to eat snack between meal and stuff. You get that. If you're gonna lose weight, you have to work on your body, work on yourself, take care of your body. I don't care how much money you have. If you're not healthy, you don't. Your money doesn't mean anything. I don't care how you work. If you're not healthy, how you going to work? So, you have to take care of your body. Watch what you put in your mouth. Watch what you eat. Read your stuff. Read your label. Read your when you go in shopping. Make sure you read what's you, what's going in your food and stuff. My baby trying to scream. Oh my god. I don't want to go back and record this voice over. So now, guys, I'm ready. I'm gonna cut my pineapple. So kuna la ti moun ma coupe anana. So ti fou so ou ka wè janti salade le paret bien na e pa sel salade dako végétable ou ka fè un fruit salade tout qui vraiment healthy, qui vraiment santé, qui vraiment bon pour corps. So une fois reste intéressé me fait ce pas de manger tout tellement et c'est comme si c'est moi tout me manger fruit battu ça dans mes fraises pour me faire smoothie à reste là. So comme bien vidéo ça m'a montré qui ça me mettre là-dedans. Sous pas fin de manger tout salade là ou ka mettre dans freezer ou faire smoothie ou ka faire smoothie avec tout. Guys, if you have it like if you make that the salad fruit is like big, you can like you like you don't want to use all of them, you can put them in your freezer for smoothie, or you can just wake up and say, okay, I'm not gonna eat fruit, let me just make a smoothie, and you go. So it's very simple, it's very easy to eat healthy. Even you're on a budget, you can still eat healthy, you can still buy your fruit and vegetables, because if you don't spend on your body and and yourself, who's gonna spend for you and yourself, who's gonna care for yourself? Nobody. So c'est quoi ça me te racheté au petit monde, moi acheté kiwi sinon pas de compte ça, papaye, graine papaye gen c'est un bon remède lié, li bon en pile. Gen quelques vidéos moi sur ça moi gen mange, moi fait manger gen pile bagay mes amis. Elle t'a prendre temps pour chita. On a ba docteur, ba nurse, dans l'école of nursing, but I really didn't pas travailler sur lui, pas like even feel like, you know, yeah, maybe I love nursing, so but just à l'école pour lui, pas travailler sur lui, pas, moi pi dans mon cuisine, pi me faire manger, so me focus na faire manger moi. So c'est comme ça salade là t'es sorti ti moun, t'es préparé li. Bien nice. This is how the fruits like come out, guys. If you can drizzle some lime juice in there and a little bit of honey, but it's just it's fruit. It's already sweet, so you just if you want, you can just drizzle those lime juice in there and you're good to go. So ça me faire là, me ranger on board. I have grapes inside, and I forgot the grapes. I'm gonna add it at last. So I'm taking raisin dans ti moun oublié raisin. So je vais mettre raisin sur plate non là pour préparer tout. Je te montre que j'ai plate l'assemblée. So qu'on a là ça c'est mettre dans serving plate. So you can grab them to go. If you're hungry, you can just get one and eat. So c'est comme ça lié, il fait des belles bols free salad free. So tout le monde c'est comme ça les sorti. So reste en yo comme pas le faire un jus pour mon cas perdu pour avec un concombre. Quoi vidéo ça venir soon qui vraiment bon. So m'a mettre sur channel là nous ka regarder li m'pa connait qui ça cap tomber avant mes amis. This is the plate that I had a video of that, a review of that when I did the unboxing. I bought them off Amazon, so you can go ahead and purchase yours. You can add your fruit. If you somebody like me who's doing prep all the time, they really good. They freezer safe, microwavable. Dishwasher safe. PBA free. You can go ahead and purchase some and get ready to eat in a healthy journey, Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. I will really appreciate that from the bottom of my heart. So thank you so much in advance, and share with someone, your friend, a family member. Let them know, Don't just watch everything for yourself, ok? Male, mes amis, nan wè nan lot ti video.